Have you ever realized, mga minamahal kong kaibigan, the best characteristic of the farmers? They plant gladly and they wait patiently. Yes, mga minamahal kong kaibigan, ganito talaga ang buhay. Habang tayo ay nangangarap pa, habang tayo ay nabubuhay pa, kailangan talaga na masayahin din tayo para sa ganun ang puso natin magiging healthy. Oo, kasi kung healthy ang puso at isipan natin, napakasarap magtrabaho, napakasarap mangarap, 'di ba? At ganyan ang kagustuhan ng Panginoon talaga, na dapat natin i-enjoy natin ang ating buhay dahil nga life is too short, as we always heard it, as we always speak it out. Kaya kailangan na protektahan natin ang ating puso kasi God knows when to fulfill our destiny, our dreams in life. Yes, and I do believe we'll become successful. Thank you for watching. Good